We'll guide you through how to change file directory in VS Code. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, please make absolutely sure that you already have the VS Code software properly installed on your computer system. After verifying that requirement, go ahead and carefully open your VS Code application directly from your main desktop. Once the VS Code program is open, closely look at your main welcome page interface and choose the Open Folder option. A standard File Explorer window will immediately appear on your active screen. Carefully use it to manually browse through your computer storage and locate the specific directory that you actively want to comfortably work in. Confidently select the target folder and securely open it. VS Code will systematically refresh the entire workspace and properly load absolutely all the files contained within that brand new designated directory straight into the far left sidebar. If you personally want to add a secondary directory directly to your current active viewing environment without closing out the very first one, smoothly navigate upward to the main top menu bar. Carefully go straight to the standard file menu and firmly select the Add Folder to Workspace modification option. This highly useful feature allows you to comfortably manage multiple different project directories simultaneously within a single convenient VS Code application window. Additionally, if you prefer to rapidly change your directories via the standard command line, you can easily open the integrated software terminal. Simply press the Control and Tilde keyboard shortcut simultaneously to immediately bring up the functional terminal panel at the absolute bottom of your screen. Carefully type the command cd space ... and quickly press enter if you actually need to move up exactly one level from your current active folder path. To immediately jump straight into a specific subfolder, type the cd command followed by a space and the exact folder name, then press enter. You can safely verify your new location at any time by accurately typing the pwd command inside the active terminal and simply pressing enter. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop any target folder directly from your computer desktop space straight into the main VS Code window to instantly switch to that desired directory. Once the Explorer panel on the left properly updates visually with the newly chosen file structure, you have successfully changed your working directory.